Hello, I'm Josh, the man behind the mic, and welcome to EVA Trades. That's YVA Trades. What you see before you is the Thinkorswim platform, and today I'll be trading on the simulator as I continue working to perfect my strategy. So I do plan to trade real money while live streaming in the near future, but not right now. So I want to welcome you to join me and follow along as I place trades in the simulator and share with you what I've learned about the stock market and trading within it. And remember, trading is risky, and always trade in a simulator to develop a strategy that produces consistent results before you put real money on the line. So the stocks we'll be trading today are from a stock scanner called Trade Ideas. I've uploaded the data from Trade Ideas into my own custom-made scanner so that I can go back in time and trade any day in the past, which is what I'll be doing today. So the charts you see here are the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and the time frames are stacked vertically. So I pulled these stocks from the scanner, and they are the leading tickers in the market this morning. So with 5 minutes to go till the market opens, let's break down the stocks. So I'm going to go ahead and press play on the simulator. And so on the gap scan this morning, even though I can't show it to you, there are a ton of stocks. And if you remember from 2 days ago when there were a lot of stocks on the scan, it really wasn't that great of a day, if memory serves. I mean, at least that's typically how it is. So what I'm going to do is draw some lines. We'll mark out support levels and resistance and pivots and support and a pivot here. Oh, it froze up. See that? So we're a little slow on the platform this morning. Okay, it's back. So a resistance there and a support there, and if it comes down to here, you got a support there, or a pivot if you want to call it a pivot instead. Maybe a pivot here and support under here and support here. Putting a lot of lines on the charts, but that's fine. Testing that resistance there. Got a support there and one here. And, I probably won't even trade this if it comes down into these areas, but I like to keep the stocks above VWAP, above the EMAs, to make it more successful, for more successful trading. Okay, next up I've got to set my margin. As you recall from previous videos, these three numbers here represent the ranges of these three candles here. And this number here represents the average of those three ranges, and it's the same for the 5 minute. So I try to pick a number between this average and that average as my starting point, and then later on, after the market opens, a few minutes after the market opens, I'll adjust to reflect closer to what the 1 minute shows. This is what I'm talking about is what I'm talking about when I say these ranges is when I place an order, I want my stop loss to be whatever this is. Well, okay, say in this case, 38 cents away. That's where I want my stop loss. Because if the range of the candle is 38 cents and I'm getting in, typically I like to put my stop loss below that candle. If that makes any sense. AMC. I don't generally trade AMC, but looking at the scan this morning, there really wasn't a whole lot to put on here. I mean, there are a lot of stocks on the scan, but not much with volume. So these are the three that I had to choose from, and we'll see what pops up on the scanner after the market opens. So between 28 and, well, this one, the lowest I can choose is 44, so may not be much opportunity there for money. I'll just say, how about 30 on that one? 32-ish. Just doing quick math in my head. Doesn't have to be exact. I'll just say 10 or 9 on this one. And so now it's setting my share size, and so that I'm ready to trade on all 3 of these stocks now that I went in and set my stop loss. So I'm ready to push the buy button when I see a setup I like. This one here is trading at the VWAP right now. Some higher volume on the red minute candles on this 5-minute chart. Forming an equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. We have 30 seconds till the market opens. You can kind of see on the 15-minute time frame, you get this high and it comes down into a low and then a lower high and a little bit of a lower low. It just poked through and now it's coming back up. So not the best ABCD pattern. I'm just gonna put this on the 15 for you so you can see it. Was worried about how slow the platform is right now. See, it's not the best. You want to see it break out. I don't like it. And if it drops below VWAP, I probably won't trade. Now this one here is looking pretty strong. I don't like that we're a little extended up here. So I kind of want to wait for that one to pull back. Maybe. Sometimes they can just keep on going. I haven't looked at the daily time frame on it to see where the resistance. This one on the daily time frame has resistance right at $13. And it's at $11.50. I wouldn't expect it to jump up to 13 all of a sudden. Oh, look at this. AMC failing. I wonder if the overall market is failing. $0.50 candle here. I might try. Boy, look at these. It's really difficult to see what's going on because this platform can be really slow on the simulator sometimes. See these candles? They're not moving very fluently. It's a whole lot of like stop and go, and it's so I can't really trade when it's doing that, but we can watch it. There's really nothing I can do about that. It's either the internet's slow or my computer is slow, or it's possible. This is a weekend right now. It's 5 o'clock Saturday morning, and on Thinkorswim they always do maintenance on their website, on their platform over the weekend, so it makes the platform really slow. It's unfortunate because it's going to make it difficult to trade, but we'll see after a couple of more candles form, it'll maybe start to smooth out a bit. It's already starting to smooth out. So we got an average here, 20, 34. I'm lowering my stop parameter. So AFRM and AMC I'm not interested in at the moment. These two are both trading below the VWAP. This one extended up here, got over 1150. You could say there's a support right here. I don't like it. This 5 minutes. No, I'll keep that line there at 1115. Where would my trade be? We have a low of day at 1098. Oh, look at AMC here. I'll see if I can join the bid. I put in a limit order. Their platform just froze. Usually that first trade, it tends to do that. I'm looking for a quick flip here. Oh, I didn't. I'm going to get back out for an $11 loss right there. I didn't look at the time when I placed that trade. A lot of times that next candle is going to drop back, so I used a limit order so I could get in on a kind of a pullback on this candles, and then I was hoping it would break through the high, and then I would take profit real quick. Here's a back test to that. I think I'm gonna try the VWAP on this. I don't like this level. It just looks, wow. Off on my other screen here, I'm pulling up SPY, and yep, SPY is a downtrend on the 5-minute, trading below VWAP, just got rejected. EMA crossing over to the bears, so looking like a bearish day, so I have to be careful. But this one's still strong, still moving up. I don't like that 5-minute candle. I jumped in it there, and I'm gonna just quickly hop back out for a quick $36 win. You see, when that candle moved down really fast, that's when I jumped in it. It broke below 11, and I expected it to pop back up again. But now we're trading below the VWAP here, increasing volume. This 5-minute candle has a long upper wick, and it's about to close in 2 seconds. So I do not feel comfortable with this. I could try to take a bounce trade off of 1064, but again, it's below the VWAP. I'd have to be quick about it. The market now is dropping pretty substantially. SPY really taking a nosedive here. Looking at the scanner, I do see RIVN. I'm going to if you remember RIVN, we traded it yesterday or the day before that. Here we go. Oh, I might be a little late on that. See if I get a small bounce. I really got in a bad spot there. Okay, I'm just gonna get out for another quick win. I'm at $56 on the day. No, I'm not. $44.89 because I took a loss, an $11 loss on AMC, and a $56 win, 2 trades on Veru. Could have made a little more if I'd held it. But with things dropping, I am not gonna hold. So I'm gonna search the scans here. AFRM was the leading gapper, so I will come back to it. But for now, we're gonna look at some other stocks here. Oh man, I am wishing I would have held that. So RIVN. So this one actually is not too bad. You know, I need to pause. I'm going to pause my charts. They are out of sync right now. So on a bar on the screen below, I click on set time, and the mouse, see that? The mouse is doing that all by itself. I'm not touching it. And it's going to copy that and click go, and then it goes to the other screens. They just know that, oh, we're supposed to do this. I have 5 computers and 10 monitors. I look forward to the day when I can have 1 computer and 10 monitors, but that's going to be a very expensive computer. Okay, so now I'm going to press play again, and off we go. RIVN looks pretty good. Taking a starter on RIVN right there, and again, I didn't look at the time. And I really did not get in on a good spot, so I'm adding there, hoping that we'll see continuation off of 2703. That's kind of tricky because with things heading in the down direction the way they have been, it's risky to take this kind of trade. That candle's about to close, and I'm exiting that first order because for a small profit, and I'm exiting the second one just because I didn't like where I got in. So I'm up $20 on the stock. I could try to enter there again, but others are dropping, so that is a good support level. I'll try it again right there. I feel more comfortable trying it a second time, I guess. I think that's about where I was in before. No, I've changed my mind. I'm back out again. I'll show you where I'm at profit-wise. On RIVN, I just made $16, so we're up to $61. Not a very good day so far. Is this let's see what happens here. Gonna watch. Jumping back in there. Can we hold 2703 and make a move back up towards the high? Okay, and I sold again. Just doing a little quick hits now. I'm up to $81 on the day. And maybe it's going to go up there, but I'm a little nervous about the day. I'm a little bit nervous with the market dropping like it has been today. I'm just not sure I want to hold anything. I know my introduction, my introductory video that I put in on this one today, it said fearless, right? Well, that's not entirely true. I do have some fear from time to time, but it keeps me honest. I like AMC over here. I really would like to take that trade. I'm going to see... Oh, I don't like where my stop loss is at. How did I do that? Jump back out real quick. So I'm going to adjust that to 20 cents. So that if I take another trade on AMC, next time my stop won't be so close. I was worried I was going to get whipped out because my stop was so close. So I made a small profit on that trade. Up $126 now on the day. Just little baby steps here. On any one of these trades that I've taken today, well, maybe not any one of them, but like on this one, had I held it, yeah, that would have been nice. This one, you know, I took 3 trades on this, and any one of those would have been a nice win. I want to look at the leading gapper again. AFRM. I'm looking at it on another screen over here, and it is just dropping. So no good on that. Oh, look at AMC. Look at this big green candle. That's going to whip back down, I bet you. Ooh, look at that thing go. A little break over the high a day. Rejection. 42.54. Oh, that candle is only halfway through. Man. Oh, I see some other things hitting the scan. We got DKNG, NEO, SOXL, FNGU, Veru now trading below the VWAP, starting to turn into a 1 minute downtrend. You see this here with this lower high and well, that's a double bottom, another lower high, and now a lower low. Consolidating on the 5 minute with declining bear volume. So it might turn around here at 1050 psychological on that EMA. Probably going to back test this line. I'm getting rid of that line, I'm getting rid of that line, and I'm getting rid of that line. RIVN, so that 5 minute candle is on the last minute. And I would expect the next 5 minute candle to pull back. Maybe down to 27.51. AMC looking strong, but I do not trust AMC right now. I would not buy this. AMC I know can whip around, and with this big candle like this, that is way overextended. I mean, sure, yeah, sure it could go up more, but I'm expecting the next 5 minute candle to drop. Okay, so what does my volume look like here? I like to look at the volume profiles. You got a higher red volume candle on the day, that first candle. Do I want to take a trade on this down at 27.51? I could put in a limit order. Look how far away my stop is. I can't move my stop closer because I would have to take a larger share size. Because of buying power and the price of the stock, my code that I've written will not let me take a larger size. Would have been nice to have this come down and fill my order. I have an order placed at 27, I think 58. Will it come down and get me before going back up? Oh, well, maybe not. See, it made a little lower low on this 1 minute candle. If you could see the 10-second time frame, you would probably see a downtrend here with lower highs and lower lows. Now the question is, if this comes back up and breaks over here, do I want to just jump in it? I don't know, maybe. Oh, there she's dropping. Might have to take a loss on that. It's popping back up. Come back up. I'm waiting for the bid to get back up above my order. The bid needs to get up to 27.55. Nope, I'm getting out. So, took a loss and it might bounce from there, but I didn't want to take a full loss on that because of the kind of day this is. So, but still up 105 on the day. Yeah, and look, it's going lower. And now AMC is dropping. Oh, yeah, look at that 5-minute candle. Did I call that or what? This is interesting here, though. $6.48, so we're only 18 minutes into the day. I just came off another 12-hour shift. I would just work 6 straight 12-hour shifts, and finally going to get some days off now. So I'm a little tired tonight, and I'm not sure that I want to trade too much more. I like the way this looks, and I want to get in that. But I don't know if I should. I'm not. Oh, I want to. Nope, not gonna do it. It might go, but I'm not gonna do it. I just forced myself to take my hand off the mouse because I was gonna do it. It has the look. There she goes. So anybody getting in there, that was a nice little move. But it didn't hold. Now you see this line here. This whole thing really... Anybody want to guess what that is? It's a bit of a bear flag. Kinda. Not the best example of one. Ooh, I see. I like this here. If I buy that, then I'll take quick profit again. It's all about the quick profit today. $135 on the day. But you see how that green candle closed above the EMAs, both EMAs and the VWAP, and then you had the back test. That's what I bought, and then sell for a breakthrough the high over this candle. I mean, you can hold it and look for a break over here. I got some serious lines that need to go away. Those are old lines. They don't belong. They don't belong there. So you got the high of day. You got kind of a pivot there. Double top. The low. This is just slowly moving its way up. I want to watch this. This looks interesting. It really does. Veru looks really interesting here. Look at this, you got all this resistance here. It's trying to get over all that. Let's keep an eye on Veru. What is my 16 cents? So put it at 15 cents. The average candle ranges are 16. I don't think I want to buy a pullback. I want to wait. This almost looks like it's going to break out. But I could be wrong. It's not about right or wrong. It's about probabilities. Gonna be right, gonna be wrong. No questions there. How many times am I gonna be right or wrong? SPY is now moving up, so that's cool. It's recovered after that drop in the first 10 minutes of the day. I'm just kind of watching, see if something spectacular happens in the next 10 minutes or so. Yeah, SPY really moving on up, coming up to $400. So we got a resistance. I'm gonna move this line, and I'm gonna move it to here. I would like to see a break over 1117. On some strong volume. This one I'm thinking may pull back more. Oh, wait. We're at the end of that 5-minute candle. No, this looks pretty good for maybe a move higher now. But I'm not gonna do it. Looking for an EMA cross right here. It crossed bearish, and now we're looking for it to cross bullish. And it will if this price ever gets going up above the VWAP again. Maybe on the 5-minute we put in a little higher low before going higher. I think we pull back below this candle, put in a higher low on this EMA. Could happen. See, I didn't buy this over here. I was thinking, buy this to hold it for a break over the highs, but it just didn't hold up. Here we go. Keeping an eye on the time, 6:56:37. So bull's trying to get over $11. The market is pulling back a little. Well, this one looks pretty strong. I'm going to buy that right there and see if that VWAP holds. This is actually looking pretty good. Let me move that. I'm going to move that order up. Taking a bit of a risk here. $657. If this candle, well, look at the volume. So it's pretty good volume here. I don't like that. Well, so that was $100 loss, but I jumped in again here at the EMAs. I don't like that it's not bouncing yet. It should have already started moving back up. And I could get back out right now for break even. This is really risky. I'm kind of watching the other stocks too to see what they're doing. See, that's trying to pull back. Yeah. If I take another loss on this, I certainly might want to call it. Might want to be done for the day, because that's going to put me red on the day. So down $64 now. So I got to a point there where I thought maybe I could hold, and it bit me. I should have stuck to the strategy. I was selling quick today, and on this time I didn't, and paid the price. That is okay. I'm not gonna say I'm done yet. I $64, that I can make that back. That was a nice bounce off the VWAP there. I'm kind of sorry I missed it. I was too busy talking. Now you do have increasing volume on that red candle pullback, but sometimes a high volume candle on a drop like that can mark the bottom. $0.21 on that. Changing my risk parameter to 20 cents because I want to, it's below the VWAP. I really probably shouldn't be doing that. And I wanted my stop to be down here at the low, and I could move it down, but that'd be increasing my risk. I don't want to lose more than 100. This one pulling back. So that bounce there was short-lived. I still feel like I want to hold this one. And look at this, trying to get up over that. I like the way this looks on the 15-minute time frame. I don't like this red volume candle. But look at us moving up here now. My open P&L right there is $120. Oh, that's a nice break. I'm gonna add right there. I was gonna move one of those up, and it moved so quick I did not get the chance. That's too bad. I'll look for another ad spot right there. and see if it moves back up. Keeping an eye on the time, and I'll wait for a move back up over 12. Am I going to get it? $53 seconds. Okay, so I sold that there for a little more money. And I'm going to look for a pullback to 1172. Right there. Might pull back a little more still. There we go. I'm going to add another one because that's looking pretty good. It's holding. I'm not going to move my orders. I'm going to see it break the high. I want to see it get up through 1225. Okay. 1207. I'm going to hold that last one. Might move it up a little more towards 1250. Psychological. 703 and 52 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and just sell that last one right there. Wow. So it felt like that one was going to do something, and it did. That's pretty nice. Now remember, there's a daily support up at 13. So technically I could have held this, and maybe we get that move to 13. But now we're a little extended. But this is a momentum stock. So I had the right idea when I got in down here. But I was too early. And then it pulled back and stopped me out. And then I got back in right here. And then I added on a back test here. And boy, it barely back tested. And then I got back in on this back test here. So see how those back tests work when you get that breakthrough and then a back test, then a breakthrough, then a back test. Right now we're pretty extended. I'd like to see it pull back more. Got a new 5-minute candle. Maybe we come back to 1172 again. Maybe I'm done for the day. I don't know. Let's look at the P&L. Up $1,140. So it's 7:05, and I think this is probably, I think I'm going to end the video today. Or, of course I'm going to end the video today. But I think I'm going to stop trading because I am a tired monkey. I'm just kidding. I'm not tired. I'm exhausted. Okay, so Veru was the second leading gapper on the day, and we did trade it yesterday. I believe that. I thought that was 2 days ago. I might have traded it yesterday too. I wonder if it's just gonna like move straight up to 13 before pulling back. Well, let's find out, because I'm done trading for today. I am actually very tired. And let's go ahead. Let's skip ahead 20 minutes and just see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So where were we? We were back here, and it pulled back a little bit. Didn't really give a good pullback to the EMA. Where was the entry? I don't know. And then it breaks straight up to 13, through 13, back test, doesn't go any higher, comes back down through 13, then down, breaks through the EMA. Boy, this would have been tricky to trade. And then back up, and now back testing here. And you could take a trade on it here at 13 and see if you get a move up over the highs. Do we get a move over the highs? Let's see. Skip ahead another 20 minutes. Well, let's just see if that would have worked. 13 looks like it's holding. Come on. This thing takes forever sometimes. Here we go. Yeah, that held. You had one little pop down right here. But otherwise, yeah, 13 was holding. And nice move up over these highs. Not bad, huh? Really choppy action, though. A little harder to trade later in the day. And just out of curiosity, this looks like one of those that might just keep on going. Look, it went up to 15. I don't know where the resistance on the daily was, but oh. So it went all the way up to 15.20 before finally settling out for the going sideways the rest of the day. And RIVN kind of looking the same. AMC a little different. So there you have it. Up $1,140 on the day. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked what you saw here, please hit that like button and come back for more. I'll have more videos coming up. Goodbye.